Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm doing kind of a throwback Thursday to when I used to use the Tarte Clay Play palette here on my channel. I've been really wanting to use this palette for some strange reason. I don't know. But I also wanted to play with a couple of the DKB Glitters, or Dear Katie Brown glitters, that I have in my collection. I use this one, which is called Jill, and this one, which is called Ashley, to create this very, very glittery, dramatic look. I know not everyone loves glitter as much as I do, but I kind of wanted to cover my eyes in it today, so I did. So if you would like to see how I got this look and how I get the glitter to stay in place and not fall all over my face, then continue watching. Okay, so we're using my Tarte Clay Play palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Dunes first. And this is going right into the crease, and I'm just kind of blending it out. It's actually a little above the crease, I apologize. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Smoke, and I'm going to run that a little bit lower under the shade Dune. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Onyx, which is a black shade, and I am putting that right into my crease. Yes, you heard me right. The black shade is going right into my crease. It looks kind of messed up right now, but don't worry, we fix it. I go back in with Smoke, and I just start blending everything together because I'm looking for more of like a gray, browny tone in there. And yes, this is very different than certain things I normally do, but you know. Then we take Dune, and I run that right across the top. Now I'm going to be going in with my NYX Glitter Glue and my DKB Glitter in Jill. I am only going to show you one eye, but I slowed everything down for this portion because I really wanted you guys to see how I put the glue onto my eye as well as the glitter. So this, I'm doing it like I would a cut crease, if you will. Instead of having my concealer, I have my glitter glue. I'm just making sure I have that everywhere I want it. Now we're going to go in with Jill, which is a very yellowy gold color, and it has some kind of orangey reflex in it. And this process takes a while because I have to dip in and dip out of the actual glitter constantly. But I also want you guys to notice I am not sliding this across my eye. I am patting it onto my eye. I'm doing small patting motions because if you try and just glide it across your eye, you're going to have a lot of spots that have skips in it, and it's not going to be the full impact of the glitter. And when you're using glitter, whether it's this type, the pressed glitter like DKB is, or loose glitter, you just want to do small patting motions, because if you go and try and sweep it across your lid, you are going to have a mess all over your face. Now, I'm not saying just doing this also you're not going to get some glitter fallout. You might, but it minimizes the amount of glitter fallout tremendously. And I think a lot of people are afraid of glitter because they're afraid to get it everywhere. But once you kind of know how to apply it and you're applying it carefully, you're not going to make as big of a mess as you think you are. I am someone who absolutely loves glitter, and I know not everyone does, and trust me, this look is over the top in glitter because I felt like playing with glitter, and I felt like doing something different, and I felt like having a really dark crease, and just, I don't know, I was in a mood. But just know, if you take your time with glitter, you're not going to make as big of a mess. Also, tip, removing glitter, use Scotch tape, because yeah, you're going to try and wash your face and you're just going to have glitter all over your face for weeks. Scotch tape will remove it easily and gently. Trust me, it works. Those drag queens know what they're talking about when it comes to removing glitter because they wear a lot of glitter. I'm just saying. I love drag queens. Just so you guys know. It's an important fact about me. Then I'm going to quickly take the brush that I had Smoke on, and I'm just going to run it across and kind of pick up any glitter there. Then I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner in Blacklist. You guys, This gel eyeliner is everything for over glitter. I know I've said it before, but it truly, truly is. I also had somebody tell me they wanted to see how I do my wings kind of slower because I've been speeding that portion up. So I wanted to slow this down just so you guys can see. And I must say, these wings aren't perfect, but they are the most even wings I have done in a very long time. And I prefer gel eyeliner. I've said it before, once this gel eyeliner is gone from my collection, I will be repurchasing it because I absolutely love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I can't say that enough. I don't know, I'm impressed with it. The gel eyeliner itself makes me want to try more from the brand Pretty Vulgar. Now I'm just kind of fixing some areas that I see in my liner. But there it is. Look at that. Okay, so now I'm putting glitter on my eyeliner and I'm still using the shade Jill. You don't have to do this part. I was just feeling very, very, very into glitter when I did this, and yeah, you don't have to do that. I didn't have to do that. Then I'm going to take my Wander Beauty mascara and my Maybelline Colossal Volume mascara, and I'm going to use both of those to do my eyelashes because I'm not going to be wearing falsies. Then I'm going to take my Kat Von D Basket Case eyeliner, which I'm trying to use up. Oh, I have mixed feelings about using this one up though because it's a Green Day thing, and I love Green Day. Oh, it's traumatic. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Smoke, and I'm just going to run that with a smudging brush underneath my lower lash line. Oh yeah, check out that face I'm making, you guys. Isn't that a beautiful face? I think everyone should make that face. It is the most attractive face I've ever seen. Now I'm taking glitter glue again, and I'm running that on my lower lash line. I'm kind of trying to do, and then I try to clean it up with my finger. I'm trying to kind of have it be my kind of highlight my inner corner highlight, because I like to run that down really low if you guys haven't noticed, and also take it up really high because I have issues. Yeah. Look at me. Look at that face. It's attractive. I am very attractive. Now I'm taking the shade Ashley, and this to me is a more kind of true gold. I don't know. I like this gold a lot, and I'm just putting that right where I put the glitter glue. See? I'm crying glitter now, you guys. Glitter is everything. Glitter is life. Embrace the glitter. Embrace it. I should do a video showing you how I remove glitter. That could be fun. Let me know if you want to see that. Now I'm doing my lower lash line with the mascara. Now I'm using the Colourpop Aquarius lip, the satin lip, because I could not find another lipstick to really go with this, and I was like, fine, we're doing a nude. We're doing a nude lip. And now get ready for, yep, here it is. Look at me. Look at how pretty. It turned out pretty. I just kind of wish I didn't put the glitter on my winged eyeliner, but I was in a mood for glitter. Glitter, 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 glitter. Thank you guys so much for watching this Throwback Thursday tutorial, me using a Tarte palette and some glitter. I just really wanted to have a good time and put glitter on my face and just really kind of feel it. I will have DKB Glitters linked down below. Also, you guys, if you're playing with glitter and you do not have this gel eyeliner, I highly recommend it. I mean, it went over the glitter. Didn't pick up the glitter, it went over the glitter. So that was pretty amazing. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. That would be amazing. Well, thanks again, and bye!